Hey guys! Today it's me, Lonnie, and
me.
And today we are going to be DIYing this fidget spinner with only the things that we have in front of us. Okay, so we have some yarn, we have some stickers, we have some markers, and this is a nail polish case. It has a whole bunch of nail polish inside. Okay.
So we this. Then this round. So we just flip it around. And so I'm gonna paint it and do it.
You're gonna paint it?
Yeah.
Wow.
And,
Yeah.
and but what should I say? Who's you like the best? Lonnie's or mine?
Okay, so at the end of the video, what she was basically saying is that at the end of the video, we're going to be showing you our fidget spinners, and we're going to be telling you, well, not telling you, but you guys are going to be telling us on down in the comments who's you like
Lonnie, I wanna see it
the best.
again. Lonnie, I wanna see it again.
Okay.
So Barbie's on her. Lonnie's crayons. She's on the middle, but
Yeah, we have our Barbie markers case, and yeah. So should we get started?
yes.
Okay, so let's get started.
I forgot to say something.
Oh, okay. You can finish.
And there's a whole bunch of crayons in there, and a whole bunch of. And there's a whole bunch of markers in there, and there's a whole bunch of nail polish. But so let's get started. Should we get started, Lonnie?
Yeah, I think we should. All right.
So let's go.
So what are you going to use? The markers or the nail polish or the stickers?
Nail polish.
The nail polish. So we're gonna pick out your colors. What color do you want? I'm gonna show you all of them that I have. I have this pink, this orange, this blue, this pink. I love pink, so I'm gonna have a lot of
Blue.
pinks. Okay. I have this.
Blue.
Oh, you want blue? Which one? This one or this one? That one? Okay. And then I have this purple. That's all the other colors that I have.
And purple.
You want the blue and the purple? That's it?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. So those are for her. Okay. And then, so I'm going to open those for her. Okay, here you go. You can paint with the blue one. And what I'm going to do while she's painting is I'm going to use some of this yarn. Okay, I'm going to try and experiment. If I can't, then I'll do something else, okay? White, blue, to just do it. And I'm just going to put this in.
Lonnie, does my nail polish look good?
Yeah, it does. It looks really good. So I'm painting. I love how you're painting with that blue.
I wanna paint this too.
Yeah.
After I paint this side, can you paint the back for me?
Maybe, sure. Keep on swimming.
Keep on swimming.
Swimming. What
And-
do you do when you're swimming?
And then he has blue color like blue nail polish.
Yeah.
His body is. keep on swimming. What you gotta do to swimming?
What you gonna do when you're swimming?
Wow, Amy. That's beautiful.
Does this look like an ocean?
Yeah.
Some of this. That was two way much stickers, but let me take them off for me.
Okay.
And this back is beautiful, but
Wow.
this one looks like an ocean.
Let me see. Wow.
So that's the end of our video.
Okay.
That's awesome. Let me
And
see Lanny's now.
This one is mine's. It doesn't spin, but like it kind of spins, but it kind of doesn't because of all the thread, and I had to loop it like right here and put it on. So I'm planning to make it tighter later. But yeah, so I really liked the blue and stuff. I got a little bit of help.
So that's your end of our video. Subscribe.
Comment down below whose fidget spinner you love the most, and
Or if you like my fidget spinners.
or my fidget spinner. Alright? Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, rate,